the Banpo Night Market and I'm really hungry because it's 9 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. So I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around and see what I fancy to eat. But I definitely fancy something Korean, I think. And so friends got tteokbokki, gopchang, and some other things, but I'm not sure I fancy that. I tried the tteokbokki, it was really good, but it was really spicy. Steve had the lobster fried rice, which he said was really good. Shereen had cheesy chips. I see a cocktail sign, so that's always a good start, so I might just start there. Oh, look at that mist spray. It's really fine, isn't it?
Amazing.
Yeah. Because it smells like their essence, which
really
is such
does.
a nice scent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, don't.
I am vlogging you though. It's good, huh?
Smells so good.
Yeah. He's watching the burrito. This is the one without essential oils. Because they originally had the centella green level and people really liked the formulation, just not the scent because it had lavender oil in. The Tamarine's hand creams are so extra.
I know.
Like the gold chain.
I can't really like put it
Like
in camera.
It's City Car. Morning guys, it's our final day in Korea. I realised this morning that I didn't sign off last night because I was absolutely shattered. We've had a little bit of a lie-in, it's about 8:30 and now we are going down for breakfast. Then we need to pack up this and then we are moving to Myeongdong. So I don't know if I mentioned, but we're staying in Seoul Dragon City. So this is the hotel that Kotra has put us up for the K-Beauty Expo. And the buffet's been really good. I just love the fact that there's mac and cheese as well, which I will be having. So I have cappuccino, grapefruit juice, noodles, egg and spring onion soup, and then yeah, don't judge this mess. Fried rice, eggs, dumplings, hash browns, and a sausage. We've made it to Myeongdong. It's Saturday, so I think it's going to be quite busy. We just checked our bags into our new hotel, so we're only staying one night in Myeongdong, flying out tomorrow. So I'm just heading over to the Innisfree cafe to meet Shereen, the way of the snail, from much needed iced Americano. Sinseon Solongtang. It's one of my favorite places to have Solongtang for breakfast. It's a chain, it's cheap, it's good. And I really like the kimchi there actually. And Myeongdong's looking quite busy. I'm going here because there's a cafe there. It's free. So we made it to the Innisfree cafe. I had the brunch box last time I was here. It's really good. They kind of came out with them in the summer. And I really want to buy the tangerine tea because we're really into like my yuja cha at the moment, and I tried the tangerine tea in Shankri last night and it was so nice. But they also do like smoothie cups and like French toast and like tiramisus, like everything is so nice. And there's a big promotion on today because I think they're celebrating their launch of the green tea probiotics, which I'll test downstairs, but which this one already bought. So you've had a half-hour head start.
I did it quick. So I got so this is a refill basically. I have 2 of these at home, but I love it so much.
Oh, the Aqua Bomb. Yeah, I have 2 of these at home as well.
I love it. So this is number 3.
Always good to have that.
I also wanted to try the Sika Bomb, which is new. That's the repair, which is slightly thicker. It's like a night cream.
Stress shooter. I tried this at the airport. This is really nice actually.
Yeah, it's for sensitive skin, and this one's the day cream version, which is like a light one. This is
That's in the tube, isn't it? Yeah, that's the one I tried actually. I believe we're really good at giving out minis. Okay, so it's minis of the Sika range. But they're like really generous size minis.
They
actually.
are.
Like they do last for like a good couple weeks.
Yeah, and the other stuff in the range as well, not just the creams, the toners, the essences.
Oh, I didn't actually realise it was a whole range.
Oh,
That's interesting. Good haul. Oh wow, were these all included as well?
Yeah.
Oh, so this...
They had a cooling stick, but they sold out, which was with this set, so they gave me this instead.
this is what I bought on the plane. On the plane, so I hadn't even landed in Korea, and I was like, yeah, okay.
I got 2, not 1, but 2 of the
Two Laneige cream
This is the mist.
Oh, okay.
And I go through it so quickly.
I actually haven't tried the mist, so I have the actual cream skin toner. So this, how did you find out about this sun cream?
Just online through Glowpix.
And it was like rated
the most popular products in Korea by skincare category.
And this was the #1 for the sun cream. So let's see if I can.
It's a chemical.
Chemical. Just like very lightweight. I feel like this would be really good for like combination skin types.
Definitely.
Or like in the warmer weather. Yeah, definitely. How much was that?
That was like 12,000 won.
Okay.
So pretty decent.
Just trying the new green tea probiotic cream. It's really hydrating. Formulated with fermented probiotics dissolution from green tea, this moisture cream helps to replenish the skin's barrier against external aggressors. I think this would be a really nice winter cream. It's like, yeah, it's quite soothing and thick. What is this?
Amazing carpet power will be on your skin.
What is this? Car's caved in and he's buying the personal cream. So I think we bought it.
내가 선택하는 나만의 단골 노자.
We're in Ayla. Lamisa, Banpo, Hamish All Clean Bar, the best selling product on our site. The best cleansing balm, so good. And they have both the cleansers as well, so they have the white clay foam. It's probably suited for more like combination oily skin types, and then the low pH or clean green foam, which is a really nice one as well. And then the new cushions, which we just launched last month, so they redesigned the packaging. So see Benton. And we'll be getting this soon as well. The Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop, because I know a lot of people have been asking about that. And the new Fundamental range, which is really nice, which we also have. But the first product that I swatched was their sun cream. And yeah, I just really like it. I really like the packaging, and the finish of the sun cream is really nice. Like it dries, it's quite dewy, but it does dry down. But we've all tried it, and I think it's a hit.
We all want it.
We all want it now. Maybe.
I think I will
I'm
get
try the
it.
ampoule actually. It's like not really scented as well. The ingredients list seem quite good. So yeah. Uleaf. Nice brand. Very nice brand. That's what I was saying in Elan, they've changed the packaging of the Cosrx pads. So yeah, you can see the old pad and then they've changed it to these ones. That's quite nice actually. Let's try the Espa foundation. Espa has a really good base makeup. It's quite sheer. There's one left in my colour. Is that a sign?
Better because with the beer you have more hangover.
Yeah. I think the next one will be like dry mouth, but nothing really like.
The craft beer scene in Seoul has become really popular. I mean, I don't think we're the best bar for craft beer, but beer.
Do you want rice?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Do you want jjigae?
Yes.
Kimchi or doenjang?
Doenjang.
Doenjang.
You want beer? Soju, yeah, let's take that.
You guys are.
Have you tried the one in the blue bottle?
Our last soju of the trip. Thank you, Hanskin, for introducing this soju. That was a pretty pathetic tornado.
Try again.
That's better. There we go. 감사합니다. So at this samgyeopsal place, they've been marinating in the roasted bamboo here.
I know smelling it straight away. It's so.
Just patiently waiting for this. Yeah.
I know I have pictures. I just don't know if they're. Oh yeah.
Oh gosh, amazing.
Wow. Dessert.
Dessert pizza.
Dessert pizza. 3 mushroom pizza. Me again. We just come back to the hotel. We had a really nice time with our friends Caitlin and Mark. They took us to this kind of microbrewery place that's run by a Korean adoptee. So we had a pizza, which is probably unnecessary after samgyeopsal and kalguksu, but was delicious. And then we had beer creme brulee, which was also very good. But it's nearly midnight now, so just going back to the room, and I'm probably gonna sign off the Korea vlogs here. So I'll probably do another YouTube video about all of the stuff that I bought on this trip, which is a lot. And yeah, some other content that we filmed here as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.